Hi guys, today is Monday and Wednesday is my birthday and I have no extra plans for it aside um, taking pictures and posting it. I don't have any plan for my birthday and I've never had any plans for my birthday. I don't know when I'm going to change that, but for now let me keep taking pictures and posting. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to get dressed so that I can take my pictures at home. I'm not doing any studio pic. Maybe in the future I'll go to the studio and take some cute pictures, but for now I want to just dress up and show you guys the dress I'll be wearing to take my pictures, and that is it. Okay, and my hair is also a mess. This is what my hair looks like. I don't know if I just put it in an afro and take pictures with it, that may look cute. Okay, so let me just show you all. I'll be putting on this top. I made this dress in 2022. This top, I made it by myself in 2022, and since then I've not worn it outside. I'll be using this trouser to this palazzo. It seems like it's a palazzo leggings. I'll be using it to wear the top. So let's see how it's going to be, okay? So guys, I just wore the top and I don't know how it is. The top is not so tight on me, like it is very, very tight. And I don't know how I'm going to keep the hand. Should I raise it up like this? Then let me see how it's going to be if I bring it up like this. So if I raise it up, this is how it looks. So let me show you the leggings I'm wearing. Let me show you all. So this is the leggings. I think this is cool. I'm also putting on a flat slippers. Let me show you all. Yeah, just a flat slippers. So let me do my hair. Let me do my hair. So guys, I'm done combing my hair. I want to have my hair in this afro. What do you think? And I'm sweating, like I'm sweating. Nigeria is too hot. Nigeria is extremely hot. So let me just pat it down. I think it's okay like this. Hey, hey. So let me go now and put my lip gloss and powder on my face. So guys, I'll be putting on these earrings, these big earrings. I'll be putting it in the same hole, in the same piercing. Yeah, because I only have one piercing and I have two earrings there. And I'll be putting on this bangle. My hand is too small for this bangle. My everyday bangles, I don't remove this, but I do remove this. So I'm ready. Guys, how do you think I look? Should I leave this thing here or should I bring it down? Should I bring it down? Yeah, I'm a slim babe and I'm a proud slim girl. Hey, I look 18. I still look 16. Eh? Who is turning that into something? It's not me. Oh. It's not me. Because I still look 18. Eh? How can you look at me and say I'm turning into something? Me that is 16 years old. I'll be 18 years. Eh? Let's go take the pictures, okay?